Welcome to the Hidden Money Code. In this video, we're breaking down 7 powerful rules that millionaires follow, not the flashy ones, but the real wealth builders that compound silently behind the scenes. Rule number 1: wealthy people build quiet income. They don't rely on a single paycheck. They own assets that work while they sleep: investments, digital businesses, royalties. Rule number 2: they master emotional control. Every dollar has direction, and emotions never make the spending decision. Rule number 3: compound growth is their religion. They understand that time, not timing, builds empires. Rule number 4: they treat money like a soldier. It must always be on a mission to earn more. Rule number 5: they use leverage smartly: skills, systems, and people that multiply results without multiplying effort. Rule number 6: they live below their means but think beyond their limits. And finally, rule number 7: they think like owners, not earners. That's the mindset that turns income into legacy. Closing a CTA: if you're ready to unlock your own money code, start today. Share this video with someone chasing financial freedom, and remember, wealth begins in your mind long before it reaches your wallet.